Tuneup, as we remember it, has become a rarity these days. Once the king of automotive service, the process of regular adjustments to the carburetor or fuel system, as well as the ignition system, has all but fallen by the wayside. Today, all of that stuff is handled by a computer, known as an engine control module or powertrain control modules. So why are we talking about tune-ups? Well, these computers do such a good job of making adjustments and keeping cars running smoothly that many people overlook the basic maintenance that's still required. In other words, the rumor of the tune-up's death have been greatly exaggerated. It just looks different today. Let's rewind to a few decades ago. Carburetors needed adjustments. Spark plugs wore out quickly, often needing cleaning, gap adjustment, or replacement. Points were in pre-electronic ignition systems, requiring a regular dwell adjustment and frequent replacement. Distributor caps, rotors, wires, they all needed frequent replacements. Thus, the tune-up was born. It didn't just stop there. Air and fuel filters, PCV valves, crankcase ventilation filters, all were part of the essential service. Fast forward to today, spark plugs are way more advanced. They can last up to 100,000 miles, but they do wear out. And as they wear, the computer's continuous adjustments put added load on the coils, risking premature failure. Think of a spark plug stuck in a cylinder head for years. Ignoring it could be costly. While they last longer, it's not a bad idea to replace them earlier than the target mileage. Let's talk about coils and boots. Most modern ignition systems use a coil unplug system. They generally work or they don't, meaning replacing them isn't going to improve performance. And if one fails, others might follow suit. Hidden from view in the middle of the valve cover, boots are like plug wires and wear out similarly. Leaking oil from spark plug well seals can ruin them, emphasizing the need for routine checks. How about filters? The moment air filters are installed, they start to get dirty. Restricted airflow means reduced performance, and the computer has to tweak the fuel mixture to compensate. Fuel filters, if overlooked, can strain the fuel pump, leading to early failures. Mass airflow sensors provide critical data to the computer. A bit of cleaning can revitalize them. And throttle bodies? It's impressive how much dirt they accumulate. And don't forget, many cars still have PCV valves. And even electric vehicles aren't above tune-ups. Battery management systems have an algorithm that can cause the indicator range to be less than it actually is, depending on people's driving and charging habits. Recalibrating the state of the charge will prompt the BMS to recalculate and restore the lost range. So here's the takeaway. A tune-up was and remains all about maintenance. And maintenance never goes out of style. Thanks for watching.